In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Outlook by date using the 2025 guide. Whether you're trying to track down an email from last week or pinpointing a specific message from a busy day, mastering date-specific searches in Outlook can be a real time saver. Let's jump straight in and make your email search faster and more efficient. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Outlook's web version by typing in https://outlook.office.com. Once you're on the Outlook sign-in page, go ahead and enter the credentials for your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account. Enter your email address and password to access your mailbox. A successful login will lead you directly to your email dashboard, filled with all those messages vying for your attention. When you're on the main page of Outlook, you will see the search bar at the top of the interface, right above your emails. Click on this bar, which is labeled Search Mail and People. It's a powerful tool that makes filtering and locating your emails much quicker and hassle-free. The magic happens with search commands, and Outlook offers some pretty efficient shortcuts. For example, if you're looking for emails received on a specific day, you can type received 2025-11-14 into the search bar. Doing this will pull up emails from that particular day, no scrolling back and forth required. Need to find messages sent over a broader time frame? You can use commands like received this week or received last month to quickly bring up emails from these periods. Maybe there's something recent you need. Typing received 2025-11-01 will show you all the emails received after November 1st, 2025. These commands work like magic, saving you from wading through a pile of messages. Once you've entered your desired search command, hit that enter key. Outlook will work its wonders and present you with only the emails that match your specified date criteria. It's like having a super smart email assistant by your side. This method is not only swift, but also highly accurate, ensuring you find the emails you need without delay. By mastering these simple steps, you're well on your way to becoming an Outlook search pro. Date-specific searches can greatly enhance your productivity, allowing you to manage your inbox with precision and efficiency. So next time you're sifting through your emails, remember these search secrets and make the most out of Outlook's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.